Mr. Zuckerberg is mad, and not for any of the reasons you might think of. You see, a few months ago, Facebook decided to go all in on AI. They spent billions of dollars into creating their own AI model. Not just that, they gave it all of its users' data, aka your data, to train on. They did all of that and more to try to improve on their greatest creation, the optimization algorithm. This algorithm is what decides who goes viral on Facebook and decides who gets traffic and who doesn't. It's very powerful and very complicated. And for the past few months, they've been integrating it into their new AI. But you know what? We actually found a way to legally hack into that exact algorithm and use it to our own advantage, without breaking their TOS or spamming anything. We finally are able to siphon off thousands of super-targeted clicks from Facebook, redirect them to any link we want, without paying even $1 in ads, without writing any posts, and without designing or creating any images. How? We created the world's first AI engine that integrates directly with Facebook algorithm and forces it to send us traffic wherever we want. Here's the best part. Evoke doesn't require any previous experience or technical setup. In fact, all it takes to get started with Evoke is just 45 seconds. Yes, just 45 seconds, and you will be on your way to generating loads of buyer clicks to any link you want. Here, we just created a campaign with Evoke, and within the first 12 hours, we got a whopping 2,496 clicks to our link. Not only that, but those clicks converted into a massive payday for us. And all of that happened by creating our campaign in 45 seconds only, without writing anything, without designing anything, and without paying anything up front. That's the power of Evoke, my friend. And today, you can have the same power as us and replicate our success. We just do 45 seconds of work a day, and then Evoke does all the work for us on complete autopilot. You don't need to learn anything, you don't need to buy any expensive app, and you don't need to spend your day tied to your laptop working. Evoke eliminates all of that. You can use Evoke from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than 45 seconds. Take a look at this. While I'm recording this video for you, I made $845.35 in commissions. That's just money I made in the past 20 minutes or so while recording this message for you. Evoke gives me the freedom to do whatever I want in life and still make money. It works for anyone: affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service provider, e-com store owners, and more. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, we are happy to introduce you to Evoke, the world's first AI engine that directly integrates with Facebook optimization algorithm, allowing us to siphon thousands of clicks for free. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this gonna cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Evoke, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Evoke was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So, with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Evoke for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Evoke. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling Evoke if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So, After we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So, if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Evoke for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We will refund every penny you paid within 24 hours. Worst case scenario, you get Evoke but don't make any money. You get all of your money back, no questions. Click the button below and get instant access to Evoke plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you